Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session we have completed the unit number 6, and I think we have already started with the one of the chapter from the unit number 7, okay, that is sports, okay. And in today's session I'm going to start with another topic from the same unit number 7, that is sports, okay. So the name of the topic from this unit number 7 is sporting legends. So now we will talk about the one of the topic from the unit number 7, that is sporting legends. So this is given at page number 41, okay. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 41, that is sporting legends, okay. So here I'm just writing the topic on the board, and till then everybody kindly open your books at page number 41, that is sporting legends. So this is the topic, sporting legends, given at page number 41. So the topic is given at page number 41, sporting legends, okay. So first thing, okay, so in the topic you can see the pictures of various sports person is given here, and we have to name all these sporting legends and also with which sports all these sporting legends are associated. देखिए यहाँ पे जो sports अलग अलग sports है from the worldwide, there are the pictures of various sports person is given, okay. So we have to write their names as well as the name of the sports with various sports with which all these legendary sports players are associated, okay. So देखिए सबसे पहले चीज देखिए, so all the pictures that I can see here, these are all the various sporting legends. So why they are known as legends? The first thing is why they are known as the legends, because देखिए legends उन्हीं को हम बोलते हैं जिन्होंने कि अपने फील्ड में with their hard work they have just gained some kind of name and fame. तो अपनी फील्ड में अपनी स्पोर्ट्स में उनको बहुत ही नेम और फेम मिला है ड्यू टू देयर हार्ड वर्क, okay. So here the heading is given, name this famous sports person. You may choose your answers from the help box. Also, can you name the sports that they played, okay. So now we have to write the names of these legendary sports persons, and we have to write the name of the sports with which they are associated, okay. So the first picture, so by looking at the first picture, here is Diego Maradona. I think he just died some days back, okay. So he is Diego Maradona and he is associated with football. So he is one of the legendary footballer of Argentina. So Argentina and Brazil, these मतलब जो ब्राज़ील और अर्जेंटीना है, मतलब इन दोनों टीम्स को दे आर द मोस्ट बना जाता है कि मतलब बेस्ट टीम्स ऑफ फुटबॉल हैं, ब्राज़ील एंड अर्जेंटीना की टीम है जो हैं. सो दिस मैराडोना, Diego Maradona, he was actually, so he was a great, so he had made मतलब with his hard work he has gained so much name and fame, okay, all around the world, okay. And he is associated with the sports that is football. तो ये फुटबॉल से एसोसिएटेड हैं, and he has represented along with his team, okay, along with his team he has represented his country Argentina in the various फुटबॉल स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट. तो फुटबॉल के जितने भी स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स हुए हैं, फीफा वर्ल्ड कप हुआ है, तो उसमें इन्होंने अपनी कंट्री अर्जेंटीना को बहुत जगह रिप्रेजेंट किया है अलॉन्ग विद हिज टीममेट्स. सो ही इज Diego Maradona and he is associated with footballs, and the country from with which he belongs is Argentina. तो हम तीनों चीज़ें लिखेंगे, name of the sports with which they are associated, and the name of the country as well. So the first is Diego, Diego, He is Diego Maradona. He is Diego Maradona. Okay, and he is a footballer, or you can see he is associated with the sports football, and he is from country Argentina. He is from Argentina. He is from Argentina. So he is Diego Maradona. Next one. The second picture is of one of the famous footballer. So now he is an athlete. Actually, he is not a football. So he is a field athlete. Okay, and his name is Carl Lewis. So you can see the picture of Carl Lewis. So Carl Lewis is a track field athlete. So he is associated with athletics. Athletics कौन से होते स्पोर्ट्स होता है जिसमें आपने देखा होगा जो ट्रैक पे भागते हैं. तो जो प्लेयर्स होते हैं जो ट्रैक पे भागते हैं, जो मतलब एक रेस में जिसे आप तरह से कह सकते हो, ठीक है, मीटर्स रेस होती है ना, सो डिफरेंट मीटर्स की. सो दिस Carl Lewis is associated with track field. He is a track field athlete, and he has represented his country America. So Carl Lewis कौन सी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करते थे. Now he is not in this. He has taken the retirement from the sports. अब उन्होंने स्पोर्ट्स से रिटायरमेंट ले ली है, बट अपने टाइम पे he has represented his country America in the various track field athletic events. Okay, and he has also won some laurels and the trophies, not the trophies, for the medals to his country. तो अपनी कंट्री के लिए बहुत सारे जो ट्रॉफीज और मेडल्स भी उन्होंने अपनी कंट्री के लिए जीते हैं. Okay, so his name is Carl Lewis, and the sports with which he is associated with track. He was a track field athlete, and he is from the country America. So you can just write down track field athlete, or you can just write athletics also. Both are sufficient. Okay, so the second picture is of Carl Lewis, Lewis, and he is associated with, okay, so Carl Lewis, he is associated with, he's an athletic, he is associated with sports athletics, okay, and he from the country America, America. He has represented his country America in the various athletic events, in the various Olympics, not the Asian Games, Olympic events as well. Third one. So the third picture is of one of the very famous cricketer of Indian cricket team. Okay, so now he has taken the retirement a long time back, but he was considered as the wall in his times. Okay, तो जब ये इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के लिए खेलते थे तो उस टाइम पे इनको इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में द नेम, जैसे सचिन तेंदुलकर इज नोन एज द मास्टर ब्लास्टर. ओके, सचिन तेंदुलकर मास्टर ब्लास्टर बोला जाता था. सो राहुल द्रविड़ को द वॉल बोला जाता था. सो जिनको एक कहते सॉब्रिक्यूट इनको दिया गया था द वॉल, कि जब इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में कोई भी प्लेयर नहीं चलता था तो एट दैट टाइम ही वर्कड एज अ वॉल फॉर द अदर. मतलब ये एक पूरी वॉल की एक दीवार की तरह ओपोनेंट्स के सामने है जो खड़े रहते थे, जो कि अपनी टीम ही वॉज अ सेवियर. Okay, so he is Rahul Dravid, and he was the member of international Indian cricket team. Now he has taken the retirement. Okay, so he is also one of the legendary sports person who is associated with cricket. Okay, तो इन्होंने अपने हमारे इंडिया को बहुत ही अलग अलग इंटरनेशनल जो क्रिकेट मैचेस हुए हैं उसमें अपना बहुत ही बड़ा योगदान दिया है. ओके, विद हिज हार्ड वर्क. ओके, सो ही हैज सेव्ड हिज कंट्री. ओके, मतलब सेव्ड हिज कंट्री इन द वेरियस, मतलब कंट्री लाइक मतलब कंट्री को हारने से बचाया है इन द वेरियस क्रिकेट मैचेस. ओके, सो ही इज राहुल द्रविड़ एंड ही इज एसोसिएटेड विद क्रिकेट एंड ही इज फ्रॉम आवर ओन कंट्री इंडिया. ये हमारी ही कंट्री से हैं. हिज नेम इज राहुल Dravid. He is Rahul Dravid. The sports with which he is associated with cricket. Okay, and he is from India. हमारी ही country from India. He is from our own country, India. Okay. Fourth one. The fourth picture is of one of the legendary player, badminton player of our country. He is Prakash Padukone. He is Prakash Padukone. तो जब आप पादुकोण सरनेम सुनते हो तो you must have remembered Deepika Padukone. She is a actress. Okay, and she is the daughter of Prakash Padukone. जो दीपिका पादुकोण है वो प्रकाश पादुकोण की ही बेटी है. Okay, she is the daughter of Prakash Padukone. Okay, so now I don't think so कि शायद आप कोई भी sports person भूल जाएं, but you are not going to forget this Prakash Padukone. Okay, so Prakash Padukone, he has represented the India in the various badminton events. Okay, so he is also, sorry, he was, actually now he has taken the retirement from the badminton, but he has represented in his country in the various badminton events. Okay, and he has also brought various medals to the country as well. So he is Prakash Padukone. Okay, and he is associated with badminton, and he is from our own country, India again. Okay, so he is Prakash Padukone. So the fourth picture is of Prakash Padukone. Okay, Prakash, 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 Padukone, Prakash Padukone, and he is associated with badminton. He is associated with badminton, and he is from our own country, India. ये हमारी ही country India से है. Okay. Fifth one. The fifth picture is of a very famous basketball player of America. His name is Michael Jordan. So he is an American basketball player, and he has represented his country in the various basketball events, and has also brought various medals and the trophies for his country. Okay, and his name is Michael Jordan. He is Michael Jordan, and he is also known as the legend. Okay, इनको legend भी बोला जाता है for his great contribution, for his hard work in this basketball team. Okay, so he is Michael Jordan. He is Michael Jordan, and he is a basketball player. Okay, and the country with which he belongs, so he belongs to America. So he belongs to America. Okay, so he is Michael Jordan, associated with basketball, and he is from the country America. So the fifth picture is of Michael Jordan. Michael, Michael Jordan. Okay, and he is a basketball. He is associated with the sports, that is basketball, and he is from America. He is from America. He is from America. Okay, moving next to the sixth one. So the sixth picture is of a very famous hockey player of our country. Okay, now he is no more in the world, but he is just known as the legend in the hockey team of our international Indian hockey team है. So he was termed as the legend. Okay, so he is ध्यान चंद. आपने ध्यान चंद इनके नाम से पूछा है. So he had made so much contribution in the field of hockey. So इनके नाम से ट्रॉफी जो एक कप होता है ना event, there is an event which is named after Dhyan Chand. So there is an event which is named after Dhyan Chand, and the name of the event is hockey. Okay. सो ध्यानचंद, जो आपका नाम सुना होगा, ध्यानचंद इज अ वेरी फेमस हॉकी प्लेयर ऑफ आवर इंडिया। ओके, तो इनके नाम पे बेटा एक हॉकी का स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट भी रखा गया है। ओके, यू कैन से हॉकी का कप का नाम है, दैट इज ध्यानचंद कप। द नेम ऑफ द कप इज ध्यानचंद कप। सो दिस इज द नेम ऑफ अ ट्रॉफी। ओके, सो ध्यानचंद कप इज एन इवेंट, ओके, जिसमें कि ट्रॉफी मतलब दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ इवेंट। ओके, सो ही इज अ वेरी लेजेंडरी, he was a legend of our country and who is associated with hockey. तो ये कौन से स्पोर्ट से एसोसिएटेड थे? सो ही वॉज एसोसिएटेड विद हॉकी एंड हिज नेम इज ध्यानचंद। ओके, सो द सिक्स्थ इज ध्यानचंद। He is Dhyanchand and he is the game which he is associated with hockey, and he is from our own country, India. He is from our own country, India. He is Dhyanchand. Next, okay, so these are the answers from the first and First is Diego Maradona, football Argentina. Second is Carl Lewis, athletics America. Third is Rahul Dravid, cricket India. Fourth is Prakash Padukone, badminton India. Fifth is Michael Jordan, basketball America. Sixth is Dhyanchand, hockey India. Okay. Now moving next. So the seventh one. The seventh picture. Okay. Now we move to the seventh. Last two are left. So seventh picture is of one of the very famous golfer of America. Okay, so he is a golf player of America. So जो golf खेलते हैं उनको, जैसे हम क्रिकेट खेलने वाले क्रिकेटर, फुटबॉल खेलने वाले को फुटबॉलर, सो वैसे ही जो golf खेलते हैं they are known as golfer. So he is a very famous golfer of America and his name is Jack Nicklaus. Okay, so his name is Jack Nicklaus. Okay, he is a very famous golfer of America. So his name is Jack Nicklaus. Seventh is Jack, J-A-C-K, Jack Nicklaus, Nicklaus. Okay, and this game with the sports with which he is associated, that is golf. Okay, so he is associated with golf and he is from America. So he is from America. He is from America. Okay, moving to the last. That is, the last picture is of Judith Polgar. She is Judith Polgar. Now, who is she? She is a very popular and a very talented chess player of Hungary. So Hungary is the name of a country. Okay, and she is a very talented chess player of Hungary, and her name is Judith Polgar. Her name is Judith Polgar. Okay, and the sports which she is associated with chess. Okay, and she is from Hungary. Okay, so a little bit small tidbit is given, so let's take a look. Michael Phelps is an American swimmer with 28 Olympic medals. Okay, so which includes 23 golds. Okay, at the 2008 Olympics in Beijing, he became the first athlete to win 8 gold medals at a single Olympics. At the 2012 Olympics in London, he became the first male swimmer to win gold at the same individual event at 3 consecutive Olympics. Okay, तो देखिए माइकल फेल्प्स, सबसे पहले तो देखिए he is a great swimmer of America. So he is just, why I am telling that he is a great swimmer of America, बिकॉज ही टिल टुडे मतलब आज तक उन्होंने ही हैज़ वॉन 28 मेडल्स इन ओलंपिक्स। तो ओलंपिक्स में उन्होंने आज तक 28 मेडल हैं जो जीते हैं। सो ही हैज़ वॉन 28 मेडल्स इन ओलंपिक्स, आउट ऑफ विच 23 आर गोल्ड मेडल्स, जिसमें से 23 क्या है, गोल्ड मेडल्स हैं। सो ही हैज़ वॉन 28 medals, total 28 medals in Olympics, out of which 23 are the gold medals. Okay, so it जो in the Olympics 2008, so 2008 में जो Olympics हुई थी, that was held in Beijing, China. He became the first athlete to win 8 gold medals at a single Olympics. वो पहले इकलौते स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन थे या प्लेयर थे जिन्होंने 2008 ओलंपिक्स में जो बीजिंग चाइना में हुई थी उसमें 8 गोल्ड मेडल्स जीते थे। तो 2008 ओलंपिक्स में ही हैज़ वॉन 8 गोल्ड मेडल्स। ओके, देन अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट ओलंपिक्स दैट वाज इन द ईयर 2012 विच वाज हेल्ड इन लंदन, इंग्लैंड। ओके, सो ही बिकेम द फर्स्ट मेल स्विमर टू विन गोल्ड एट द सेम इंडिविजुअल इवेंट एट 3 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ओलंपिक्स। तो वो सबसे पहले स्विमर थे जिन्होंने एक ही इवेंट में 3 अलग अलग ओलंपिक्स में जो गोल्ड मेडल जीता था। दैट मीन्स 2004, 2008, 2012 तीनों में ही हैज़ वॉन सेम ही इवेंट में, मतलब लाइक 100 मीटर रेस, 200 मीटर स्विमिंग, जो भी इनका कॉम्पिटिशन होगा उसमें लगातार तीनों साल गोल्ड मेडल लेने वाले, ओलंपिक एक ही इवेंट में लगातार तीनों साल गोल्ड मेडल लेने वाले, ही वॉज द ओनली swimmer. So his name is Michael Phelps. Okay, so till today, so he has won total 28 medals in the Olympics, out of which 23 are gold. So that means 5 जो होंगे वो ब्रॉन्ज और सिल्वर होंगे, बट 3 medals are his gold medals. Okay, चलिए, now moving to the page number 49, that is playing Commonwealth. Now we are going to talk about some more games. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the Commonwealth Games. That is given at page number 49. That is playing Commonwealth. So that is the name of the topic is playing Commonwealth. Page number is 49, playing Commonwealth. So this is the name of the topic, playing Commonwealth. Okay, so first of all read the heading. Here are some key gold medals winners of 2014 Commonwealth Games. Match these players with the sports they are associated with. Okay, so 2014 में जो Commonwealth Games हुई थी, that was held in Glasgow, Scotland. So 2014 में there was a Commonwealth Games that was held in Glasgow, Scotland. So Scotland is the name of the country. Okay, and वहाँ पे Commonwealth Games हुई थी. Okay, okay, so इसमें the various players from the Commonwealth nation. तो Commonwealth nations में के अलग अलग players they have participated in this event Commonwealth Games. ओके, सो कॉमनवेल्थ नेशंस, ओके, तो जो कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स होती है उसमें सिर्फ वही प्लेयर्स पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं दोज हु बिलोंग टू कॉमनवेल्थ नेशन. सो इन द कॉमनवेल्थ नेशन द नेशंस दोज हु वर द पार्ट ऑफ ब्रिटिश एम्पायर एट वन टाइम. जो कॉमनवेल्थ नेशंस वो नेशंस है बेटा जो कभी ब्रिटिश एम्पायर का जो पार्ट रही हैं. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू मैच द नेम्स of these Commonwealth players with the name of the sports with which they are associated. So the first one is Yogeshwar Dutt. So Yogeshwar Dutt is associated with wrestling. Okay, so देखिए ये mostly जो जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं they are the Indian players, those who have participated in the Commonwealth Games. So the first one is Yogeshwar Dutt, and the Yogeshwar Dutt is associated with wrestling. So the first is Yogeshwar Dutt. Yogeshwar Dutt is associated with, that is given at option number C, that is wrestling. WRESTLING. So Yogeshwar Dutt is associated with wrestling. Second one, The second is Apurvi Chandela. So Apurvi Chandela is associated with shooting. Okay, the shooting में मतलब gun shooting और rifle shooting. So Apurvi Chandela, तो अब इसमें से किसी एक गेम में गन शूटिंग or either rifle shooting, she is associated. So Apurvi Chandela is associated with shooting. That is option number D. Apurvi, A-P-U-R-V-I, Apurvi Chandela, C-H-A-N-D-E-L-A. Apurvi Chandela is associated with option number D, that is shooting, S-H-O-O-T-I-N-G. Apurvi Chandela is associated with shooting. Third one, Sukhande. So Sukhande is associated with sports. So Sukhande is associated with weightlifting. Okay, Sukhande is associated with the sports, that is weightlifting, given as option number E, that is weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, weight lifting, L-I-F-T-I-N-G. So Sukhande is associated with weightlifting. Fourth one, the fourth is Vikas Gowda. Vikas Gowda is associated with discus throw, that is option number A. So Vikas, V-I-K-A-S, Vikas Gowda is associated with discus throw, that is option number A, that is discus throw. Vikas Gowda is associated with discus throw. Fifth one, that is Deepika Palikal. So Deepika Palikal is associated with squash. So the game with which Deepika Palikal is associated, she is associated with squash. Deepika Palikal is associated with squash. That is option number B, S-Q-U-A-S-H. So Deepika Palikal is associated with squash. Okay. Now the B part, some blanks are given, 4 blanks are given. So we are going to answer them as well. So the first blank is which city hosted the 2014 Commonwealth Games? तो 2014 की जो कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स हुई थी कौन सी सिटी में हुई थी? जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया, दैट वाज हेल्ड इन ग्लासगो, स्कॉटलैंड. दैट इज ग्लासगो, स्कॉटलैंड. Second one, which among these two are introduced in the 2014 Commonwealth Games? इनमें से इन दोनों गेम्स में से कौन सी ऐसी गेम है जो फर्स्ट टाइम इंट्रोड्यूस की गई थी कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में? वुमेन स्विमिंग और वुमेन बॉक्सिंग. सो दैट वाज वुमेन बॉक्सिंग. सो वुमेन बॉक्सिंग वाज इंट्रोड्यूस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन द 2014 Commonwealth Games. सो दैट इज वुमेन बॉक्सिंग. That is women boxing. Third one, which country won the highest number of medals in the 2014 Commonwealth Games? So, किस country ने सबसे ज़्यादा medals जीते थे in 2014 Commonwealth Games? So that was England. So England has won the maximum number of medals in the 2014 Commonwealth Games. Last one. What was the name of the official mascot of 2014 Commonwealth Games? Okay, so जो 2014 की जो Commonwealth Games हुई थी, जो उसका mascot था, so what was the name of the mascot? So the name of the mascot of the 2014 Commonwealth Game was Clyde. So the spelling is C-L-Y-D-E. So Clyde was the mascot of 2014 Commonwealth Games. Okay. So this was our today's session, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in the next session. So till then, everybody have a good day.